Aggravation, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to move all 4 of your marbles around the board from your base to your home. Lay out the board. Each player picks a color and places their 4 marbles in the base that matches their color. Each player rolls the die, and the player with the highest number goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll the die, then try to move a marble. Anytime you roll a 6, you get to take another turn. You must roll a 1 or a 6 in order to move a marble out of your base to your start hole. Once out, a marble moves clockwise around the board as indicated by your die roll. Each hole counts as 1 move whether the space is occupied or empty. You may jump over opponent's marbles, but not your own. You may end a move and land on an opponent's marble and it gets aggravated. Aggravated marbles are sent back to its base. You may not aggravate your own marbles. Marbles may not be aggravated when they are in your base or home. You may not enter an opponent's home. If you land on a star by exact count, then, on your next turn, you can move between the stars in a shortcut towards your home. You can exit the star path at any time and continue moving the marble with any leftover moves. You can also move into the center shortcut by exact count. Then, on your next turn, you must roll a 1 in order to leave the center and move to any star spot. You can still get aggravated while in a star spot or the center. When you reach the end, you must get all 4 marbles into your home by exact count. Remember, you cannot jump your own marbles, so you will have to be careful when getting them into your home. If you cannot perform a complete move by any of your marbles, then you do nothing and end your turn. The first player to get all 4 marbles in their home wins.